Alright guys, so today it's just going to be a random video. You're going to come along with me, spend the day with me, see what I get up to on my days off. So I think we got some fun, exciting things. Well, it's exciting to me and probably any other car wash owner. You know, I'm basically just going to start the day off. I'm going to go to the gym and work out like I always do. And then I got to head down south to Santa Fe Springs. I got a bill changer. I bought a new bill changer and it's finally ready after a couple of weeks. So I'm going to go pick that up so we can check out the bill changer that I bought. And then I got a few hoses made up, you know, boom hoses from the boom swivel all the way to the end of the boom. And I got the text that they're ready. So we're going to go pick them up. So I guess it's really not that exciting, but we're going to do that. I got, you know, some exciting news I'll share with you guys a little later on. Hence the bill changer. So let's start with a little lift, get a little pump, and then go pick up some car wash stuff. Shoulders and biceps. It's feeling good. It's winter and it's 70 degrees and I'm sweating. Look how sunny it is. 70 degrees in winter, wearing a tank top. That's California for you. But I know you guys didn't click on this video because you want to see me work out. You want to see car wash related stuff because that's what this is. It's Car Wash Chronicles. So I'm going to head down. I'm going to pick up my bill changer. We're going to check that out and come along for the ride if you want. Don't have to. See you guys later. No, wait, stick around. Let's go get it. So of course, after a workout, you got to have the protein shake. So I stopped at Jumbo Juice and got myself a shake. And it was actually free. Good for me because a couple of days it was my birthday. A couple of days ago it was my birthday. 36. Oh my goodness. And I got a nice little message saying happy belated birthday, Chris, and it was free. So again, good things always keep happening. It's a lovely day to wash the car, so why not stop at the self-serve car wash and give it a wash? Let's go check it out quickly. All right, here we go. $5 going in. Very nice. Let's forget the tire cleaner. Let's go straight to the high pressure soap and give it a nice wash. Get out of there. All right, we have some soap. Very good, very good. All right, foam brush time. 3 wasted functions. That's money right there, that's money. Hello? Wake up. Wake up. It's past 9 o'clock, time to get up. I put it on foam brush, right? Foam brush, yeah. Okay, the rotary switch is messed up. Because I put it on the high pressure rinse, came on, switch it to the foam brush, and that stayed on. All right, there we go. Sometimes you got to move it back and forth, but the customers don't know that, so that's obviously no good. Come on, constipation. Again, using one hand is not the easiest. Let's rinse that off. Get the soap out of the line. time for a wax. Oh, let's see, it must be coming out of the other gun. Why is this even here? Alright, so wax has nothing. No wax out of anywhere. Spot free. I think the rotary is messed up. Alright, well, let's check out the spot free. That's about 10 psi, which is pretty pathetic. Anyway, I'll drop a note under the door, see what happens. Why not? Since I'm here, you never know. It's not the best. I'm pulling into the bill changer place where I bought the bill changer from. Around the back in these little areas here and there. Oh, compressor, I'll take that compressor. And just around the corner here. J&J. Here it is, bill changer. I like it because it's got two bill acceptors, so if one goes down, still have another one. Drops down into the one, so when I get home, we can open it up, have a look inside, see what's going on, maybe even test it. Plug it in and test it, so very cool. I like it. 2 for 1. Time for lunch, going to the best of the best. See, I got the bill changer in the back, $6,000 machine, but I need a pee, so I gotta go inside the in and out and just trust everybody in the world right now that no one's gonna take it. All right, let's make it quick. So I got lucky. I guess I can trust everybody in the world. The machine was still there, even though I was keeping an eye on it. See, I was sitting right there in that window and I was looking out at the truck. And I got my delicioso food. Look at that, delicious. The best, in and out. So here's one from the time machine. Who remembers this? Still closed down. Homeless living there. It's pretty bad. Overgrown weeds, that's all right. I'll get in there and fix it up soon. That's the host store in there, so we're gonna go around the back. The VIP parking in the alleyway, the dangerous alleyway. And there it is there. Little host store. So this is what I got. Five hoses. I forget how long they are. I forget, but probably like 6 feet. Length of a boom with a swivel on one end. That's going to go into the boom swivel, and then that's going to connect to a fitting that connects the high pressure hose to. So 5 of them. Which is pretty much spares. It's always good to have spares, so there you go. Very interesting stuff. Okay, so I got it home, got it in the garage. Let's go ahead and plug it in, see what happens. Here we go. Kidding. Got to turn it on at the back. Let's open it up, see what it looks like inside. All brand new chipboards, brand new bill acceptors, brand new hoppers, brand new everything. All right, where's the on switch on this thing? And on, we have lights, we have power, we have a board, we have noise. Wow, that was aggressive. Temporarily out of service. Perfect. Nothing on there. Great. Just blew my money. No, I'm kidding. Just says that because there's probably no coins in the hoppers. The hoppers are completely empty. And this is a new system to me. It's not the same as the Row BC 1400 that I'm used to. So I'm going to have to learn all about this one. But it doesn't look like there's much to it. Looks pretty simple. Okay, so I have some quarters. I'm going to go ahead and put some quarters in. There's that. And there's that. And there we go. Please insert money to receive 25 cents. So let's see what happens. I'm sure it's going to give 25 cents, which is no good because I put in $1. That's a pretty crummy bill, but should take it anyway. See? Oh, I gave $1. $1 for $1. Not sure why it says this. I'm going to have to change that. Please insert money to receive 25 cents because no one's going to trust that. Let's try ahead with the 5 now. Okay, should be 20 there. Yep, 20, good. See, this is what I need. Instructions, it came with instructions. So now I can read up on it and figure out how this damn thing works. I'm sure there's a lot of people watching this who have this exact bill changer and they know exactly how it works. So they're screaming at the TV right now, but like I said, I have the other bill changer, the Row 1400 BC 1400, and I know how that works pretty good, but they no longer make that. This is a updated version with the new stuff, so I got to relearn all over again. That's right, I got some nighttime reading. Well, there you have it. I'm going to head home. I'm going to test out the bill changer, which you already watched, so that's editing for you. Filming this before I actually test it, but you've watched it beforehand. Anyway, very productive day. Picked up the bill changer, got the hoses, had a good workout, got some in and out. So it was fun. Nice day, driving with the windows down, feeling the fresh, dirty Los Angeles air in my nostrils is not the best. But anyway, everything at the car washes is good. Edwin texts me all the time and keeps me updated there. So no problemos whatsoever at the car wash, which is how we like it, because we don't like problems, but it's inevitable, happens every day. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you all next time.